Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times. Andhra BJP spokesperson Dinakar Lanka suspended. BJP leader and party spokesperson from Andhra Pradesh Dinakar Lanka was suspended from the party. The letter announcing the suspension was sent on WhatsApp to him. The politician said, "The decision came as a surprise to many, considering Lanka was a popular spokesperson who often represented the party on regional as well as national news channels." Dinakar Lanka said that he is confident that the party would soon revoke the decision about his suspension. "I have done nothing wrong. I have represented the state unit in party's workshops often held for spokespersons. I have always worked keeping in mind the prospects of the party both in the state and at national level," he said. Andhra Pradesh schools classes on alternate days from November 2. Schools in Andhra Pradesh will reopen on November 2 and classes for students will be held on alternate days, informing this to district collectors and superintendents of police in a video conference on Tuesday. Chief Minister Y.S. Jagannath Reddy said that students of class 1, 3, 5 and 7 on one day and those of 2, 4, 6 and 8 on another day could go to school on alternate days. In case the students' strength is over 750, the classes could be held once in 3 days, he stated. Decreasing corona active cases in Andhra Pradesh. A record number of coronavirus tests are being conducted in Andhra Pradesh. A record 71,96,628 corona diagnostic tests have been performed in the state so far. In the last 24 hours, 69,095 samples were tested and 3,503 positive cases were reported. This brings the total number of cases to 7,89,553. Tamil Nadu CM donates ₹10 crore to flood-hit Telangana. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Edappadi K. Palaniswamy donated ₹10 crore to flood-hit Telangana from the Telangana Chief Minister's Relief Fund. The Tamil Nadu government is also sending blankets and mats to the flood victims. EPS letter to KCR, the heavy rains and unprecedented floods in the city of Hyderabad and in certain districts of Telangana have caused extensive damage to property and taken a toll of lives. 3 held 954 rapid test kits seized in Newsweed. Newsweed police arrested 3 persons for allegedly supplying rapid test kits without taking the requisite permission from the state government and seized 954 test kits from their possession. The accused were also illegally conducting tests in the town. Addressing a press conference, Newsweed DSP B. Srinivasulu said the accused were identified as Potluru Rajendra, 42 of Hyderabad, Chinte Venkateswara Rao, 42 of Tiruvuru, and Malila Sudhir Kumar, 32 of Kothapeta. Delhi government to donate ₹15 crore for Telangana flood relief. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Tuesday announced a donation of ₹15 crore for relief efforts in flooded Telangana, saying people of Delhi stand with residents of the state. Floods have caused havoc in Hyderabad. People of Delhi stand by our brothers and sisters in Hyderabad in this hour of crisis. Delhi government will donate ₹15 crore to the government of Telangana for its relief efforts, he said. As many as 70 people have died in rain-related incidents during the past 1 week in the state, Telangana Minister K.T. Ramarao said on Monday. Actor Prithviraj tests positive for COVID-19 while shooting for movie Janaganamana. Leading Malayalam film actor Prithviraj Sukumaran on Tuesday said he has tested positive for COVID-19. The actor was shooting for Dijo Jose Antony's movie Janaganamana in Kochi. Dijo Jose, who directed the hit movie Queen, has also tested positive for the virus. "I am asymptomatic and I am doing fine now. All primary and secondary contacts have been advised to isolate and get tested, hoping to recover soon and get back to work soon," said the actor. With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share and subscribe Bayan Times.